Hi all. Today the topic we are going to learn in natural language processing is spell checking, spell checker. Okay, so we know when we are typing something in Word, if there is a spelling mistake, it will shows the error. Okay, error as well as the corrected word also it will suggest. Okay, same thing in Google also. The suggestion, corrected word suggestions will be available like from the dictionary. Okay, this is called as a spell checking. So the this is one of the major application in NLP to check and correct the spelling. Okay, so this spell checker we can use the concept called as natural language processing concept like minimum edit distance, Levenstein distance. Some concepts are there to check the spelling corrections as well as the error correction. Okay, so in this text, it is written in a wrong manner, which means words defined is that letters are correct one, but the order of the letter placed is the wrong manner. Okay, instead of YOUU, it is YUO. Okay, but whenever we are seeing this passage, I can read it immediately because our memory have the capacity to read the wrong words also within a seconds. Okay, so like that, if the mistakes are present in the particular statements, we can easily identify it using this NLP applications. Okay, so in this spelling correction, best example we can say is this MS Word spelling correction. Okay, automatic correction, it will suggest as well as the Google spell checker. Okay, both are the best example. So using this application, we can replace the wrong word with the correct word. Okay, which plays a main role. Very good application. Okay, so when we are applying this spelling correction, before that we have to identify the basic difference between the spelling deduction as well as the correction. Okay, both are different. Both are doing a different task. Okay, first one is error detection. Okay, so in error detection at first, the system is identifying the misspelled word. Okay, if one word is wrongly written, I can easily identify the word is written in a wrong manner. But how the system will identify that particular word is a non-meaningful word, that spelling is wrong, how the system will identify? Okay, so the system is identifying the particular error means, that is known as error detection. Okay, then the second step is error correction. Okay, so after identifying the misplaced word, we are correcting the error. Okay, so in this error correction, detection and correction both will be there. Okay, for example, see the word here, ater, ATER. It's a misspelled word. So what the system is suggesting to you, it may be a water, later, after. Okay, relevant words. All relevant words, it so as the suggestion. Okay, so at first in the initial step, the system identifies the error is there. Error is detected. Okay, and for correction, it is giving you some suggestions. Okay, set of relevant words, it is giving you as a suggestion. Okay, then, so like this, the errors can be varied in different types. Okay, types of error can be there. So I'm just explaining the types of error here. Okay, first one is keyboard mistyping. Okay, when you are typing in a very fast manner, there may be a mistake happens. Okay, in that keyboard mistyping, three types of errors are there. One is space bar error, keyboard proximity, physical similarity. Okay, so spacebar error means a run-on errors, which means two separate words. I'm typing it as a single word. There is no space. Okay, for example, the first, it becomes the first, a single word. Okay, so this is called as a run-on error. I missed to give the space bar. Okay, then second one is split error. It may be a single word, but I am typing it into a two words. Okay, that is called a split words. Okay, equalization, it is typed into as equali and sation. Okay, two words. Okay, so this kind of run-on error and split errors are called the space bar issues. Okay, then the second type of error is keyboard proximity. So which means in the keyboard, instead of typing one letter, I'm typing the nearer letter or another one letter. Okay, that is called as keyboard proximity. So for example, Jack becomes hack. Okay, so Jack is also have a separate meaning. Hack is also have a separate meaning. But that in that cases, the system cannot be able to identify the error. The system will only check the particular word. Okay, if meaning of word is there in the dictionary, it will allow it. Okay, so this kind of errors are called as keyboard proximity error. And the next one is physical similarity, which means while seeing the letter, it's look like similar. Okay, that kind of errors is called as physical similarity. So which is similar in the shape. Okay, for example, tight. In place of tight, I typed it as fight because T and F both are look like similar. Okay, so this kind of error is called as physical similarity error. So this all are comes under keyboard mistyping. Okay, the next type of error is phonetic error. When we are pronouncing a word which will be heard like similar words. Okay, when we are talking in Google Speech Assistant, sometimes it can't be able to identify exactly what we are talking. Okay, it will identify a different word. That is called as, that kind of error is called as phonetic error. Okay, errors based upon the sound of the language. Okay, example, in place of read, read, red, it is pasted as read. Okay, read. In place of CITE, site, it is misplaced as SITE. Okay, this kind of errors are called as phonetic errors. When we are speaking it, both are looks like a similar word, but when we are typing, both are different words. Okay, this kind of errors are called as phonetic errors. Okay, the types of spelling errors. That spelling errors also non-word error as well as the real word error. Non-word error means I want to type apple, A-P-P-L-E, but I typed it as A-P-P-L-L. So in A-P-P-L-L, there is no word is there in the dictionary. Okay, this is called as non-word error. Like that, such kind of words are not available. Okay, real word error means if I'm typing one letter in a wrong manner, it turns into different word. Okay, but that word is available in the dictionary. That is called as real world error. Okay, see here, this is typographical error, which means three, THRE. It will be typed as THERE because that EI previously typed before R. Okay, then cognitive error means while spelling both are hearing it's similar, but the spelling is different. Okay, PIECE instead of PEACEI typed. Okay, instead of TOO, I typed TW. Okay, so these two are called as non-word error as well as the real word error. Okay, so this kind of all spelling errors as well as the keyboard mistyping error, phonetic errors, everything is identified with the support of this natural language processing concept. Okay, so like in errors, what we learned today, keyboard mistyping errors, phonetic errors, and spelling errors. Okay, within spelling error, it may be non-word as well as the real word error. Okay, thank you.